It's Neil from Lister Wilders, Service Director for the Ground Care and Construction Division, and also the Virtual Engineer. Ian from our Reading Depot has been busy again doing another MIDI video for you, and this time he's talking about a dry problem we quite often see on the Hayter Harrier mower. He's managed to make it outside on the grass, and he's going to take you through a quick fix. Without further ado, over to you, Ian.
Often we're getting mowers coming in with poor drive faults. Today we got this Hayter and it's got poor drive, and it's simply down to cable adjustment. Something that you can do at home, and it just saves you having to put it in the car then bring the mower down to us. So I'll just show you this one with no drive. So we'll start it up. And as you can see, it's got no drive. It's just starting to try and drive, but it's got no more. And that can be just down to adjustment on this turnbuckle down here. So if you can see that there, that turnbuckle, simply just hold the middle and hold the ends and then just turn it. Same with that side. Just so you've got an adjustment, you've just put more tension on that drive cable down there, and then the handle here, I can feel that's starting to bite there. A bit like a clutch on a car, you're just getting a biting point higher up. So now if I start it up again for you, and you'll see. Just that simple bit of adjustment has allowed you to get drive again, and that stops any unnecessary repairs. Okay then, thanks for watching.